Welcome to this class. Today we are going to learn how to use Canva for content creation. We're going to create high engaging posts and visual that drives results. Why content creation matters. Number one, it's a growth engine. Content equal to the engine of online growth. Powerful visuals content performs better than text alone. Fast and simple. Canva make professional content creation easy, and consistency is equal to what profit. Visibility leads to profit. Social media post templates. Now on Canva, you have different platforms. You have different platforms that you can use Canva that has already templates for Canva, like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook. Now, templates benefits saves you time. It ensures consistency, consistent style. It also you can also customize your branding. So when it comes to Canva, you can just go to your template, go to Canva templates, and just pick anyone and just edit. It has all been created for you. For example, to create codes, promotions, or even a product highlights. Carousel post for engagement. When it comes to carousel, we have carousel posts for Instagram, we have carousel posts for, LinkedIn. It helps you create multiple posts, higher attention and saves, perfect for storytelling, tutorials, tips, easy creation, duplicates and drag features. It helps you keep clean, you know, one idea per slide. Just that is how to do it. So I'm going to teach you how to create carousel after this particular presentation. Infographics and quote card. It's like templates has all those things for you. And when it comes to infographics and quote card, why these things are important is because especially infographic, it helps simplify complex info into visuals for perfect LinkedIn posts, blogs, and Instagram. What about your quote card? It boosts shares. It also helps for engagement with inspiring quotes and branded design. Canva provide ready-made layouts, so you just add your text and you're good to go. Magic resize hack: create once, repurpose everywhere. That is how to do it. Start with a post from Instagram. You can create your base design, resize to Facebook, convert to LinkedIn banner, professionally format is already ready, then transform to maybe Pinterest. Content flow strategy: you can actually have content like educational content using infographics, tips, inspirational content, codes, success story, promotional offers, and CTAs, and all that. So you need to plan your templates ahead, and you can also use the Canva content calendar to help you. So quick win in Canva: create a carousel, maybe 5 tips for XYZ, duplicate and transform, turn infographics to reels, then share everywhere to multiple platforms. Wrap up and this is the wrap up and next step. For faster and scalability, Canva makes content creation very, very easy. So even if you're getting a social media job and all, it's going to be very easy, especially when you use Canva Pro. So maximize reach with your designs. So Canva for marketing and business is what we are going to be discussing next. See you in the next one.